but you cannot harm your hair by air drying it, diffusing it, or portable hood drying. It cannot be done. Hey, I got a great question. Hi Dickey, I'm new to Wash and Go. I'm using your technique and they come out looking wonderful. I don't always have time to sit under a dryer and was wondering if air drying is harmful to my 4A, 4B curls. Why would air dry be harmful to your 4A, 4B? On one hand, I hear that, oh, I don't need to sit under a hood dryer every day because is that harmful to my hair because of the heat? Then I hear air drying. Child. We're not talking about pressing your hair twice a week. Heat does not damage hair, people do. So the fact that you're doing wash and go style frequently, lovely. Only you know what time you need to have your hair done and ready. So find convenient times to do your wash and go styling. And you decide based off of trial and error whether you like air drying, portable hood dryer, or diffuser, or a combination of all three. Because, you know, if you're going out tonight, I'm just use an example. If say you're going out tonight, do your wash and go style in the morning and maybe let it air dry or sit under a portable hood dryer for 15 minutes and then come out and diffuse it and let the rest air dry the whole day. There are no rules to following the rules. You know how to break the rules. It's very important to know that wash and go styling for these textures 4A and 4B is done frequently. Not how you dry them. How you dry them is up to you. Nobody runs your daily schedule like you. Only you know what time your hair needs to be done. And 9 times out of 10, if you're on a Zoom call or it's warm outside, we'll be determining factors on whether you air dry, portable hood dryer, or diffuse. And maybe it's more convenient to do your wash and go style at night when you have time to sit down and sit under a dryer and you do your fluff in the morning. But it's up to you to determine what time and how convenient it is to use out of your choice, air dry, portable hood dryer, or diffuser, air dry, portable hood dryer, in any combination that you choose. It will be up to you. But you cannot harm your hair by air drying it, diffusing it, or portable hood drying. It cannot be done. So I hope that dispels that myth. Happy wash and go. So if you like these videos, I hope that you click like and subscribe and go to hairrules.com for further education and find a regimen and products that are specific to your hair texture, not someone else's. And so every day can be a great hair day. And yeah, see you soon.